How to make grapefruit essential oil lip balms. To make our all-natural grapefruit lip balms, you will need the following: a set of weighing scales, some lip balm containers. This recipe fills 6 50 milliliter containers, a heat-proof jug, a stirring implement like a spoon, and disposable gloves. You will also need Craftovator's yellow beeswax, Craftovator's refined shea butter, Craftovator's deodorized cocoa butter, Craftovator's sweet almond oil, Craftovator's hemp seed oil, Craftovator's castor oil, and Craftovator's grapefruit essential oil. Start by weighing out 1 gram of grapefruit essential oil. Some weighing scales cannot pick up tiny amounts like 1 gram. If this is the case, weigh out the EO, starting with the weight of the vessel you're pouring into. Put this to one side, as we will not be needing this until later. Now weigh out 28 grams of shea butter. Now weigh 10 grams of deodorized cocoa butter. Now 17 grams of beeswax, 25 grams of almond butter, 10 grams of hemp seed oil, and 10 grams of castor oil. You will need to add the butters, oils, and wax together into the glass jug. Now place your jug into the microwave or into your double boiler. Gently melt your ingredients. You will notice that the beeswax is the last ingredient to melt. The last few pieces will melt whilst being stirred. Next, we will need to add the grapefruit essential oil. Stirring it in gently for about 30 seconds to make sure that everything is fully mixed and combined. Now we can pour the mixture into our containers. Once set, these lip balms can be used straight away. For more videos like this, check out our YouTube channel.